It's out for
Oh,
everybody.
Blacked out for me.
I
Interesting.
gotta disband the party. It's
Oh wait, maybe because party options. Let me just check something. No, never mind. I'm guessing you don't have a code then as well, huh?
Nope. Well, at least
Yeah, I
on
think-
here, when I disband it, it actually gives me a code back. Allows me to invite again on the PC and the next gen version. When you disband the party, you lose your code forever. You can't get
Never
it
to be
back,
seen
and it
again.
basically, yeah, it makes you have to dashboard the game and reload it on PC. It ain't long though. It only takes like 10 seconds. I'll reload it back up. That's why I never got upset by it. At least it ain't like Friday durn. And then the fucking what's his name? Oh fuck! I can't get no water. She's charging the fucking damn thing. God damn it! Fucking thirsty. Thank God Maxim had water left over. We're both sick anyway. Because my throat was getting real scratchy. And the water seems to make it go away for a bit.
Yeah, people need to drink water to live. I'm surprised you don't have any water to drink.
I got water. I'm drinking
Oh.
water now.
You said that you didn't have water to drink. I was like, what?
Yeah, because the thing's charged.
Thank God I got some water.
The pump.
Oh,
But I got a cup
okay.
of water here that I got from Maxim before she took it off the charger. It had like 2 drinks in it.
Alright. Scare me, man.
No, we put because our water's turned off. We put 5-gallon like water things you get at Walmart that you can refill for like $5 or for like $1 or $5 or whatever it is. We got a pump thing that will pump it out and basically pump it into a cup or whatever you need it for.
Can't do any skills or anything amazing.
What?
Hey, Gamer, did you level up that lot? Oh, who escaped with me?
And
I don't
Andrew.
know. But I was already
Well, it
at
was
the
Cameron, was
fucking less than fucking 100
Yeah.
XP away. Now I'm like 3,000 or 4,000 XP away again.
I am 3,500.
My XP is 19,710. I'm actually going to write that down in case I disconnect.
I don't even know how to
That's
do a sneak attack. I need
710.
to watch the tutorial for that.
This will probably be my last one for the night.
Search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says
Now I'll probably have to hop off of this after this game too. It is getting late. I didn't realize
Yeah,
it was
it's
fucking
almost
2 in the morning
Yeah, it's
almost.
almost 2 in the morning.
I only slept for 2 hours yesterday.
I also still need a shower and shit.
And I planned on fucking relaxing at least and watching something before I pass out.
Plus,
There
I
you
need to pull this off tomorrow and cut it up. Learn to edit, how to put shit together.
Yeah, you just gotta sync up at least one segment of it where we're near each other talking and sync them up together, and then from there, go from there.
Green shirt. Is that you, Axe?
I will.
I guess you're the one hanging upside down.
killer. But I am grabbing my willy. If you look, every time I reach up,
Alright, there we go.
I'll grab that
I'm
willy.
down.
So grabbing that, Willie.
Look at that willy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My knee don't work
There we
right
go.
anymore. Ugh.
Taking the back way again, Axe.
Alright, toolboxes. Right.
Fucking hell.
There's nothing down here. Out this door. All the way down here. Past these bones.
Oh, turn around.
Open here.
I went through the little hole I opened, killer.
Yeah, I got a
Don't grab my
toolbox
willy
here.
though when you do that.
Go
Be
ahead and do
careful.
it first.
This'll help. Anything will help.
Dude,
There's a health
Bubba's
spray behind
running
us.
around here with no fucking chainsaw revving?
On tool.
Is that what I'm hearing? Or is he near one of y'all?
My screen is all red like he's near
Oh.
us, or yellow and orange, but I don't see him.
Please fit in that.
So he's
Oh, watch
being
out,
turned on his
somebody's near.
chainsaw. Who did the chicken?
Oh, fucking chicken. That was me.
Fuck, I was at the toolbox.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking chicken. Fucking damn chicken.
Turn into a KFC bucket.
Here, killer,
Oh.
if you need tools.
I got two.
Good.
Okay, well, I'm heading up to get out. If you want to follow
Which way is that way?
upstairs.
Yeah.
Well, you just passed me up. I'm going back the way you came, where the chicken was. But you went.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
gotta go this way.
I see you
I
You're
went
about
this
to
way.
leave me because I'm
Axe.
sprinting.
upstairs. I see. Okay. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, I'm fucked.
Where'd you run into him, killer?
I don't know, bro.
What's this?
Bones up ahead.
Well, he don't have
Axe.
his chainsaw on, so you got a chance until he goes. No, 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 no.
Oh, I see one of you picking.
Me.
Right behind you. Grampy's
oh, God,
away.
that scares me every time.
Not if you're the one to open the door.
We never should have come here.
Fuck! Oh, fucking shit! Oh god! What's his name's there?
You can do
He's
it.
chasing me! Help!
Think.
Help!
Oh,
Time out!
I think I got turned around.
Down! Oh, that ain't a well! I'm dead.
I got turned around major.
Ah!
Nancy, shut the bed.
Fucking hell! I'm about to die!
I need an adult!
I'm gonna be dead before I even get out of this closet.
I figured it out now. Here's the lock I need to pick.
Help! Oh, hey, Johnny. Oh, I'm dead.
As long as no one's spectating me,
I
don't
do
feel bad.
not like this fucking map, man. I really don't.
I do.
It's too
Hey, what's
fucking
my
hard
special
to escape
ability,
because
dude?
there's nowhere to go.
Watch out. I see one.
Fuck out while that I open that door. Fuck. There's a trap. Why is a Burun?
Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
Fuck, man, he just screamed so quickly.
They're everywhere.
Alright.
Yes.
Yes, I can use that.
Here's a bone.
I gave you so much health, Andrew.
They're gone.
Oh fuck, I
better
just
than nothing.
slaughtered the chicken. That's what I get for not
You can
being able
get to
to
that
find
little
bone.
gap there, yeah.
I
I'm
just
dead.
want to get through the front door.
Oh,
Dude, I couldn't.
Oh fuck! I still have a chance after that. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know I still had a chance afterwards. Well,
Join me, killer.
I'd say you live, you learn, but
The front. Uh-oh.
fuck, man.
I'm gonna have to too. Oh, hey.
Leyland, I'm over here.
Leyland.
Dumb bitch.
Oh, Andrew!
Is he on my ass?
No, he ran right in front of you.
Uh-oh. It didn't work, boss! I'm fucked!
What? Did you just go downstairs?
He dead.
Which I would be coming.
Trying to
Yeah.
run away. Yeah, I was trying to run away from the dude chasing me. He just killed me.
Oh.
I was literally where I needed to be, and as soon as I got... I thought the guy saw me, so I sprinted away. Panicked.
I got them all looking for you.
Yeah, that's where I was at, Iron, when I panicked.
Where's the third one again? Before. Oh. There's the third one. Oh,
Iron, you were lucky.
stay in that nice dark spot. Far out.
Damn. Came out of nowhere.
That's the same one that got me.
Yeah, it's the same guy that got me. So he got everybody.
Do I have the option to turn the music down? Maybe I should just turn the music all the way down. There's no need to have it, huh? Unlike Friday.
I don't know. I keep it on like 85, everything.
Nah, I'm gonna hop off. It's